Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In today's video, I am going to analyze the FedEx company. The way that I analyze companies is by focusing on the actual company, not their stocks, and conducting fundamental analysis, meaning taking that company's financial statements, breaking them down, and conducting a thorough analysis that provides me with the target areas that I use to invest in companies. The symbol for the FedEx company is FDX. Here we have the most current information for the FedEx company. Let's go to 2016, and on the left side we have all the ratios, not all the ratios, but some of the ratios that a lot of financial analysts or financial gurus use to conduct their own analysis. The way that I do the analytical part is by focusing on four major parts. The first part is the percentage that the company must earn to meet the expectations of both creditors and owners. In 2016, the FedEx company must earn at least a 13%. The second item, or the second factor that I use, is the amount of capital the company must earn to meet its obligations. A positive number here means that it is an excellent performer. 2016, the FedEx had a negative. The third sector, or the third item that I use, is the company's real earnings, not the net profit, but the real earnings. And the last sector, or the last item, is the amount of capital that the company needs to maintain their daily operations. 90% of all companies have a negative number. 2016 was an okay year. 2015, the rate went up to 15.4%. They had a negative amount here, -2. They have negative earnings, and the amount needed for operations is still kind of high. 2014, the rate went up again, 16.7, -1. They have real earnings, -14. Let's try 2013. 2013, almost 18%. That's high. -1, positive earnings, -12. The question is, would I invest in the FedEx company? No, I would not. And the reasons are because they had too many negatives in this sector here, meaning they weren't able to meet the obligations of the company. Basically, they didn't meet the expectations of their creditors and owners. And so that tells me that somewhere along their management style or management focal point, they're either not following their own guidelines or a little behind the curve. My personal opinion. Again, would I invest in this company? No. That is it for this video. If you want me to analyze a company, email me the name of the company and I will create a video for it. As always, take care and continue investing.